What's up, YouTube? Dave with Kickfam, back with yet another video for your viewing pleasures. And as you can see today, we're back down Wildwood. We're about to go have dinner at Founders here on Mariners Landing. But before we do that, and before we take you with us, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up, and definitely hit that little bell so you're notified whenever we upload. So let's go. The family's already in Founders. Let's go ahead in there and get something to eat. We'll take you along with us. It's a rainy day down here, so where am I sitting? I got stuck with Mom.
I'm sorry, guys.
So Mom, Cousin Debbie said to put you in more of our videos. You okay with that? She said she wants to see you in more of the family videos on YouTube.
Do you want kids playing with golf
Sorry,
balls?
Cousin Deb. She said no.
No. What do you want?
What you doing,
What's
dude?
he doing? Look, he got fruit.
Are you trying to drink your soda?
He put fruit in the pool with
God,
the shark.
you can't have all that soda.
He's eating the shark. He got the shark. Oh, he's sleeping.
Walking around, so
Yeah.
if she's already walking
It
around,
look that big. You know what I mean?
She don't look big enough for like 2 or 1.
Yeah.
some chicken nachos,
So
Boo-Boo?
who's taking the kids? You? Taking one?
I'll probably take them both.
Thank you. One of them is mine.
Because we need
One of them
to,
is mine.
we need to,
Sorry, babe, you could have those or something. But at the end of the day, I'm still the grandma. You know who really misses you?
I think we still have all the litter boxes and cat food.
Yeah, at the end of the day, I'm still the grandma.
We already have the litter boxes and cat food, so I guess we're getting 2 kittens.
We just got to get a kitty litter.
Oh yeah, we don't have any kitten litter. I know, that's what I said, we were just talking about it too. I got my usual cheesesteak, egg rolls. What you get, Bub? You got chicken fingers, Bubby? Bubby. Alright. You got chicken fingers and fries there, buddy?
Want Petco?
What you get, babe?
Don't call me right now. I have no makeup on.
Oh, I'm sorry, she has no makeup on. What's that, a crab cake?
She got a crab cake.
What you get?
I got a burger with avocado.
How do you like avocado?
I don't either. Don't have no taste, right?
What you get, wings? Did you get wings? You got wings? What you get, a cheeseburger? How's the burgers? Good. How's that, Bong Bong? Looks good. I could tell you ate a
I
lot.
watched the video of me and
I didn't think you were going to eat that much.
Mimi Squad.
You barely ate any of it. You better eat something. You better eat all that.
Was helping me.
I saw her picking at it. Alright, we're going to eat. We'll be right back with you. Alright, so we just got done eating at Founders. We're going to go over to the arcade. Let's go. The food there was pretty good, right?
I like that. I'm slow.
Catching up to the rest of the family now.
I found
So we're in, I don't know if there's money. So we're in the arcade at Mariners Landing. I guess this is the new thing right here. Yeah. This is the new thing right here. The seagull with the baby. Last year they didn't have the baby. It was just a regular seagull like out here. If you look, ready? If you look up there, that was the seagull last year. I guess over the winter, the seagull had a baby. So now they have babies.
They have a baby in a pouch for some reason.
Yeah, it's cute. Last year they didn't have the baby. This year, I guess over the winter they had the baby. So you're gonna try and win this?
Dad.
I don't know who the dad is. That's a good question.
Where's the dad?
All right, I'm opening your quarters. Thanks. Did you lock it?
Yeah.
So, look, last year, remember how big the seagull was last year?
Yeah.
The ones up top?
Yeah.
Remember how everybody wanted them last year?
You know,
The ones with the babies?
oh, and the babies are in a pouch.
Yeah. So your Mia,
Yeah.
your daughter wants to know who the baby dad is. They said,
Another seagull.
she said that how to get pregnant over the winter and have a baby. She said, or is that the dad and he brought his family down?
Oh my God.
You also they what you want?
Whoa, you won that? You got it from where? The claw machine? That's cool. What is it, a burger? No, guacamole? What's it? Is it a tournament? Don't they do tournaments? Oh, I was just wondering, there's a lot of people playing. Oh, it was a tournament. Right back at it. Yeah, we're back at the good one. We're right back at the good one. This thing is awesome to win tickets on. This is the best game to win tickets down here. So don't come down here and steal my machine. You okay? If you fill up the whole train, you get a bonus. You won one?
I won one, yeah. And they're finally.
So if you look, I need to hit the 100. It's the SpongeBob right there for the super bonus. Let's see if I can get it done. So I needed to get into the SpongeBob, which is the smallest one.
One more power up until super bonus.
Is this it? Is this it? Got it! Woo! Look, just from that one game. That's all tickets from that game right there. Now, when I come down this summer, I better not find a million people at my game. So we cashed in. What did we have? 290,000?
Yeah, 292,000.
And this is what
500 something.
there's your blanket.
Thank you. And let's go find Queenie.
And then
Right here, right here. Wait.
the queen got the mini fridge. All right, go ahead. I don't want to hear because you got to save up again. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm sorry.
No, it's fine. Well, that's our rainy day down Wildwood on the boardwalk. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, even in the rain, there's no place better than Wildwood. We're at the Jersey Shore. Hope to see you down here this summer since we'll be down here a lot. This is Dave with Kickfam signing out. See you on the next one.